Here's a quick run through of the 20 ounce glass soda mock-up in photopea. First thing is to disable this top layer here. It's just a space saving layer. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this middle folder here, which is where the smart object is, and then we double click this green layer. We'll get to the smart object. Then we go File, Open and Place. Then locate your artwork. If I can find them. Let's have a look. Let's put the A on there. Let's resize it. Let's get rid of these. Placeholder text. Can either throw that in the trash or just hide it. Then you go File, Save Smart Object, and then you can close it down. There you go, and I think that's a bit too high, so I'm going to double click, go back into it, drag it down. I didn't save, and that's because I didn't go File, Save Smart. Close it. Yep, that looks about right. Let's get the right one. Double click the green layer. Disable these. File, Open and Place. So the A again. Resize it. Move it down. Happy with that. File, Save Smart Object. Close it. Now yours probably will be all nicely sized already, whereas mine isn't really made as a template for. It's just an SVG or a transparent PNG, so I'm going to have to do some little tweaking. Control. Oops. Forgot. I'm not in Photoshop. Edit. Transform scale. It needs to be a smidge bigger. Okay, forgotten to move it across. I want to move it across to the right to simulate me turning the cup. Let's do the left glass. Double click Smart Object, File, Open and Place, A, resize it. Get this placeholder out of the way. File, Save Smart Object, close that. Forgotten to save it again. Move it across. If you hold down Shift when you're moving across, you can actually get it to lock in the axis. File, Save Object, close it down. Yep, that looks fine. Obviously you can probably do it more accurately than I have, just done it quickly. Each tumbler has its straw options here. You can have a curved straw, steel straw, or straight straw. Let's put steel on, and then we're going to edit, transform, rotate. Turn on the steel straw with this one. That one's okay for position. There you go. There are some body shape type options you can have without the lids. With or without the lids. There you go. I think that's everything. you can adjust the shadow. I've got it quite faint now. I could probably pump that up a bit. 75. There you go. I think that's all there is to it.